Insert screenshot into Excel worksheet. I'll insert a screenshot from Notepad. I click on my Open Notepad application and click Alt plus Print Screen keys. I go back into Excel and hit the Ctrl plus V keys to paste. I resize the object by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the border handle. Insert screen clipping from application. I'll insert a screen clipping from Notepad. I click menu item Insert, followed by Illustrations, Screenshot, then Screen Clipping. The screen turns a translucent white. Using the mouse I drag over the clip area. Releasing the mouse button places the clipping in the worksheet. Insert image into worksheet. I insert a picture into a worksheet by clicking menu item Insert, Illustrations, Picture, then select the picture from my local device. Using the mouse, I select the picture, then click the Insert button. Insert shape into Excel worksheet. I'll insert a rectangle shape into the worksheet by clicking menu item Insert, Illustrations, Shapes, then choose the shape I want. Next, I drag the mouse to define where the rectangle goes on the sheet. Using the mouse, I can drag the border handle to resize the shape. Insert an object into Excel worksheet. I'll insert an Adobe PDF document. I'll insert a PDF document into the worksheet by clicking menu item Insert, Text, Objects, Create from File. I check Display as icon, then choose the document that I want, then click OK. Now, when I click on the icon, my embedded document is displayed in its native application.